Hi guys, here Carlos Valenzuela from Digital Chaos. Today products review is going to make life much more easy, especially for those affiliate marketers who are overwhelmed about the time and work it takes to get their affiliate offers alive. And it is called Affiliate Suite. If you're an affiliate marketer or trying to profit from affiliate offers and are having trouble driving affiliate sales, writing convincing copies and bonus pages that convert, then this product is for you. I truly wish I had this when I got started, because all of the affiliates will need a bonus page. Some of them use Commission Gorilla, which has a yearly cost. Others, like me, have a web page, which has a monthly cost, and it also is very time consuming. The builder inside Affiliate Suite is very similar to Commission Gorilla, very super similar, you will see. And the beauty is that it comes already with plenty bonuses to use, which is especially useful when you're getting started and you are struggling to get some really good bonuses to offer. It can also write you automatically the sales copy email sequence for pre-launch, live, follow-ups, and closing, but just providing the software with some information like the name of the product, the name of your bonuses, the bonus worth, if you wanted to add some scarcity, launch period, etc. by filling in the blanks. That's simple. If you like using YouTube like I do to make your review videos, it can also write you your video scripts by following the same technique of filling in the blanks. You can also drive traffic to your bonus pages by sharing them in all social media platforms, all inside this software. Of course, you can also edit, clone, but you can also even get a code to share with someone, so when this other person pastes this code into his own Affiliate Suite program, he will be able to clone your bonus page. So if this is something you're interested in, please stick with me, as I'll be going into more detail and also through a quick demo to show you how the dashboard looks like and how it works. I also have really special and custom bonuses this time to help you get the most out of your Affiliate Suite. And remember, down below in my description you will find the link to my bonus page and also to a timeline that you can use to go straight to a specific part of this video, like the bonuses or the demo, etc. Well, with that said, let's jump into my bonus page where I'm going to show you the prices and upsells for Affiliate Suite and also the bonuses I'm offering. The last one itself is a huge bonus bundle that you'd like to have if you purchase Affiliate Suite, as it will give you a lot of value. So let's get started. Alright guys, so here we're inside my bonus page. You will recognize it because it says Carlos Insane Bonuses for Affiliate Suite. You also have my WhatsApp bubble here that if you click on it, you can send me directly a WhatsApp and I'll be able to help you in anything, okay? So if we scroll quick down below, okay, I want to show you the prices and upsells. This is the funnel. We have 5 OTOs. The front end has 2 prices. Affiliate Suite Personal for $26.99 and Affiliate Suite Commercial for $36.99. With this one, you will access the powerful Affiliate Suite software and all training modules. Then we're going to have an OTO number 1, which is Affiliate Suite Deluxe, and it costs $67, okay? With this one, you're going to have unlimited access to every feature on Affiliate Suite for a maximum ROI, even less effort required. You're going to get, between all things, 50 done-for-you email campaigns that are proven to get big results. You're going to get 100 high-quality, unique done-for-you bonuses, 20 done-for-you bonuses review pages, and so on and so forward. Then let's jump into OTO number 2. This one is called Affiliate Suite Funnel Writer plus done-for-you Enterprise Site plus Influencer Traffic App. It prices $97 and you also have the downsell for $47, which has a few less features than the full one. Okay. The Affiliate Suite Funnel Writer, you get email autoresponder sequence generator, you get headline generator, long shot sales copy generator, webinar slide and script generator, amongst other. Then you have the Affiliate Suite Done For You Enterprise Site, which is all inside this OTO number 2. And in this part you get Done For You Enterprise Site closing deals with clients who need emails for affiliate promotions, bonus review pages, and video review scripts. Also, you have Done For You graphics for promoting their enterprise sites. You get Done For You emails for chasing cold clients and closing deals, etc., etc. And the third part of this OTO is the Influencer Traffic App. This will allow you to drive traffic to your affiliate links or enterprise using influencers on Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube. Then we have the OTO number 3, which is Affiliate Suite Done For You Template Club. And here you have 3 options. You can pay $37 monthly, or you can pay $147 once a year, or you can pay $297 as a one-time payment and never again. This will give you new done-for-you bonuses added every month, new done-for-you bonus pages added every month, and new done-for-you email sequences added every month. Okay, this is very good. I understand you cannot pay maybe the $297, but for $37, I think this is very recommended, because you will see that with all these done-for-you bonuses, email and bonus pages added every month, you will skyrocket your sales and you'll be able to pay the monthly fee of $37, no problem. Then the OTO number 4 is Affiliate Suite Limited White Label that ranges from $97 to $297. With this one, you're going to be able to rebrand Affiliate Suite dashboard with your own logo, create your accounts for your clients, while you keep 100% of the profit. You can have 100 white label licenses for $97, or 250 white label licenses for $197, or 500 white label licenses for $297. Okay, you can choose any of these three options within OTO number 4. And finally, we get to OTO number 5, which is Affiliate Suite Reseller License that goes from $97 to $197. This will allow you to resell Affiliate Suite platform with an affiliate link for 100% commission payout or 70% commission payout. You will get a step-by-step video training that shows you how to get the most with Affiliate Suite Reseller. So if you pay this reseller license for $97, you will keep 75% of the profit. Or if you buy the $197 reseller license, you will keep 100% of the profits for yourself. Some of the key benefits of using Affiliate Suite is that now you can write an entire affiliate email sequence, 6 emails in one sequence, by filling out just one simple form and with one click of your mouse. You have over 100 done-for-you bonuses that are included. It is created by super affiliates for affiliates. So it really works. And I tell you, I know these guys, they're really good affiliates. You have a drag and drop page builder that makes it super simple to create stunning bonus pages that will make it so easy to create winning affiliate marketing campaigns. You can instantly generate high converting headlines that make you more money with just a few clicks of your mouse, and so on and so forward. So let's scroll a little bit down now. Here you're gonna find a full demo of Affiliate Suite, which I really recommend you to watch. Okay, it's about 10 minutes long. Mine is a bit shorter because I could really spend here 10, 15, 20 minutes to show you everything inside. But these guys made it a bit quicker and very complete, and I didn't want to make this video too long. Okay, so let's keep scrolling down to my bonuses, and here we are. You're gonna get all these bonuses, guys. Pay attention, all these bonuses except the last one with Affiliate Suite front end. Okay, I have 8 really good bonuses for you right now. Okay, the first one is the Auto Content Creator Machine for web pages. Okay, it's a downloadable zip. The second one is how to boost your online sales. This is a PDF book. Okay, very complimentary to Affiliate Suite. And remember, guys, click on any of these yellow buttons to go straight to the sales page. My bonus number 3 is free business flyers templates. Okay, this also comes in a downloadable zip file. My bonus number 4 is a software called Backlinks Warrior. This will make automatically backlinks to your web page or your bonus page, in this case of Affiliate Suite. Okay, and my bonus number 5, as always, is if you take action now, access to all vendor bonuses, which are a lot. Okay, so take action now. But right now I have 3 semi-exclusive extra bonuses. Okay, so pay attention. All these bonuses that I showed you here before, they're going to be delivered automatically, and you will find them next to your purchase files on JVZoo. But for these 3 extra semi-exclusive bonuses, what you have to do is write an email to support@affiliatesuite.io to claim access. You're gonna also have to write the name of these 3 bonuses. I will put you the email address somewhere down here, okay? So you don't forget it. But you will also find this email address and the instructions on my bonus delivery page. So bonus number 1, made by the same developers, it is a back-end training on how to create 6-figure income with Affiliate Suite. So this is very, very good, guys. And you're gonna get it with the purchase of the front end, so no worries. Bonus number 2, this software will allow you to create your own thumbnails to find automatically the keywords for your YouTube review videos, okay? So it's very good. Also for Affiliate Suite if you're going to be making review videos as well. And then the bonus number 3 is access to UStudio course. This is a video training made out of 7 videos, if I'm not wrong, which is to drive traffic. Okay, this is going to be very helpful to drive traffic to your bonus pages on Affiliate Suite. And finally, by the purchase of any OTO, you will get access to this extra bonus. This one is access to 35 plus bonuses to use in your bonus pages inside Affiliate Suite. Okay, this one is going to be instant delivery bonus as well. You will find your bonus delivery page next to your OTO purchase files in JVZoo. Okay, so don't worry, instant delivery, you can't miss this one if you buy any of these OTOs, because plus the bonuses you have included already for Affiliate Suite, you're gonna have so many bonuses to get started with. Okay guys, so let's go now into the demo. Alright guys, so here we're inside Affiliate Suite dashboard, and basically the three main things that we're gonna do are create an email sequence, create a bonus page, and create a script review. Okay, you also have here on the left, you have affiliate tools, which are the email sequence that you have created, your saved emails, things like that. Okay, you also have integration for, if for example, if you want to integrate a waiver, you have done for you campaigns, done for you bonuses, which you can use in your bonus pages. Okay, you have the upgrade options in case you didn't do it when you bought it. Then you have the walkthrough videos, which are a series of tutorials that are going to show you how this works. And you have affiliate training in case you want to become a better affiliate. Okay, just to let you know, I don't want to make this video too long, and this demo would be way too long if I create an email sequence, I create a bonus page, and I create a review script. Okay, because as you can see here, if we go here, first of all, you have to select the type of email you want, and then it's going to ask you for a lot of information, which still is much easier than doing it by yourself. And also you're gonna get a series of email swipes where you're going to find pre-launch, live, follow-ups, and everything. And you just have to fill out some information here. But there are 5 steps here, and this one has just 4 questions, but the next one have many more questions. I'm gonna show you very quick here. So for example, let's say Affiliate Suite. Then I'm gonna give a name, Carlos, and we're gonna click on next. And it's going to ask you more questions, you see. Then if you click next, it's going to ask you more questions again, like the worth of your bonuses, the name of your bonuses, the launch date, etc., etc. You also have testimonials, many things. Okay, you have scarcity, when this launch is expiring, a call to action, and then you go to write email swipe sequence, and here you see you get your pre-launch, your live, follow-up 1, 2, 3, and closing. And you can also select from different subject lines. Okay, and as you can see, because I didn't put all the information, I get these square brackets here. Okay, so therefore I prefer to leave you a full demo of this on my bonus page. So if you click down below in my description, you will see the link to my bonus page. Also you will find it on a fixed comment. Okay, that's going to drive you to my bonus page, and there you're gonna have a full tutorial video of 10 minutes on how to do this properly, how to create your bonus page properly, and everything. Okay, because like I said, I don't want to make this review video way over 20 minutes. Okay, so let's go. All right guys, and that was it. Don't forget that down below in my description, and also on the fixed comment I put, you will have the link to my bonus page where you will be able to access Affiliate Suite and all my bonuses. Also, if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, no problem, and subscribe somewhere here. All right, you would make me a big favor. Thank you very much for watching and staying with me all the time to the end. Stay cool, take it easy, and be safe. See you in the next one.